Here in this teaching kitchen, we are open to the community. We have several different programs, from Cook Through the Book to Better Breakfasts and Baking to grocery store tours and coffee and conversation. Our signature nutrition program, Plan, Prep, Eat, Repeat, is taught in a variety of different places throughout the Woodlands. I've been teaching this program at Canopy Cancer Survivorship over at Memorial Hermann for the past 5 years. We also teach it here in our kitchen, La Bella Verita, and offer it to cancer survivors, patients, and our community. I am super excited to be able to partner with a local high school to teach this program to our youth. I remember as a teen coming home and telling my parents that smoking actually is bad for you. They were educated differently. Smoking in the 70s and the 80s was just okay, not so bad for you. But now we can tell our youth the truth about food. I'm excited to educate our youth on the fact that over the past 30 years, our food has been modified in so many different ways. Our youth needs to be making diligent choices about what goes into their food and therefore into their bodies. I look forward to teaching this program in our community. Our Better Breakfast and Baking program is led by 2 amazing volunteers, Marilyn and Betty. These 2 young ladies are in their 70s and exude the fact that it is never too late to make a change. Come and join them and learn how to substitute harmful ingredients for less inflammatory ingredients in your breakfasts and baking. We hope to see you soon. This program is of no cost to our community. Come on up, join us for a cup of coffee, and have a great morning. Our Cook Through the Book program has been a hit. It is always a full house up here where we get together and follow along in the What's on Your Plate cookbook, follow the recipe while people ask questions. Maybe some people want to know, can I put this in an air fryer? Can I use a pressure cooker? So when someone else is asking those questions, everybody in the room is learning. We love this program, and lately people have been choosing the next recipe for me to do. It's been a great time for fellowship and interactive learning. One of the programs that has been increasingly popular and so much fun have been our team building events. Whether it's a sports team or a corporation, I will work with you personally to customize the event for you. While people come together and bond as a team, we get to provide meals for cancer patients. It's a win-win.